Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I am going to be working in this journal. I call it my John Lewis journal because it's a John Lewis catalogue, and I haven't worked in it for a while and it brings back memories. This is the front was different and then I used it for something else, so this was the next page that I worked on. So this brings back memories because this was the journal. I made it into a journal. I ripped out some of the pages, I glued some of the pages together, and this was the journal that I would, when I was looking after my mum who was living with dementia, I would take it along with gesso and a couple of colours, and I would mask out some of the images. So I'd look at one of the pages and see which one caught my eye, and then I would mask out what I didn't want and keep what I did. So today I thought to myself, let me do some work in it, and I'm not gonna like work with a lot of paints or anything. I'm just gonna work with some black ink, and I want to just go over some. I thought I'd do this page actually, go over this page and see how far I want to take it. So I've got some fine brushes here and just some permanent ink. Now if I feel like adding some colour, I will. So for me, your art journals are, and have several of them, so that when you feel like doing a particular activity, you can do it. So right now I want to work in it, but I didn't want to, you know, gather a whole load of paints. I've got about 30 minutes, and being able to do something is better than not doing anything. So this was a page I originally started out. It started out probably looking like this, or you know, it had some sort of product that you could purchase, and the lady came with the horse, and then I saw the background. So I'm just going to be going over some of it and yeah, seeing where I can take it. So I hope that you have a journal that, you know, try, get hold of one of these catalogues. Just go to your you know, department store. The paper that they use is actually quite nice paper to work on, and it's nice to just play around with. So I'm just gonna continue, and we'll be back nearer the end, or when it is I feel that, yeah, that's enough for me, and I'll just see where I want to take it. So we're coming to a natural end for me. I am just going round all the different areas of the picture and rounding off some of those corners. I'll probably be adding some sort of doodling or some mark making in between some of the areas. This is a nice way to end painting, or just take a break. I've still got quite a way to go in terms of completing it, but that's for another time. You just see what time you have and do what you can, and that's the beauty of having a variety of different art journals. So I hope you enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.